Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. It's Saturday morning, October 12th. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and this YouTube channel. We want to get everyone caught up as we had to evacuate. So I just got back last night getting our paid newsletter subscribers up to date. Now we want to get our YouTube subscribers up to date. So let's start with the Nasdaq futures, 100 futures. Okay, you can see here, let's get a bigger full screen. Okay, from the all-time high we've got one down and an ABC for two up. I want to show the Nasdaq first because unlike the other indexes like the Dow and the S&P, the Nasdaq has not eclipsed its July high yet. Okay, so this is our main count, one down and two up. You can see it's cozying up to the previous wave 2 high. Where is it wrong? When it goes above this all-time high of 20,983.75. If this count maintains, then if that's 2 up, and it could make a little higher too as we have a turn date this weekend. We'll get into that later, but here are the wave 3 targets. 3 equals 1 at 16,906 and a quarter, and 3 equals 1.618 at 14,662. It's possible for these markets to diverge. They always do. They did in 2000. They did in 2007 and 2009 when the market started to decline. So right now the Nasdaq and the futures are 2 or 3 months behind the S&P and the Dow. Okay, so we want to let's get into the S&P. Here is the hourly chart. Okay, we'll show the Fibonacci turn dates from this July high. But this shows those dates here, alternating highs and lows. Started on the 16th. First one was a low, next one high, next one a low, next one a high, next one a low on 8.5, next one a high near 8.26, next one a low was within a day and a point of our time and price targets. Next high is this weekend, actually tomorrow. As you know, futures will open on Sunday night. And the cash market was open Friday and will be open Monday. We'll get into the details of that in a second here. Let's just go to that interim report that we put out earlier this morning. And there's that special interim report. Went out to our monthly and annual subscribers. We're excited that we actually now have water, power, cellular service, and internet. We didn't before. Made it back late last night on Friday, and we just feel real fortunate and excited to be back and get everybody caught up. Okay, there's our Fibonacci time spiral right there. Shows the next turn is 10:13, and this is that same chart with that Fibonacci sequence in. It shows all those turn dates from the 716 high, and you can see high, low, high, low, high, low. So 10:13. We'll see if the cash market actually made a high on Friday, or if it will on Monday, or if it just blows it out. You never know, but we'll see where that goes. We're looking for the futures if they didn't top to top Sunday night, and we'll see what Monday brings in the cash market. Okay, that's caught every other upside and downside. Here is that was the cash, by the way, S&P cash hourly. Okay, and this is the E-mini futures hourly, and you can see everything here. We're long against this 8.5 low, August 5th low. That was a direct hit. Here's that direct hit in terms of time. The 9.9 turn date and the 9.8 actual, a few hours off. And then the price, we were looking at 53.93. We got 53.94. And as you can see, we've got a move up. And so far, the actual high is 48.68 and a quarter. That should be a 5. 58.68 and a quarter. Did this early in the morning at 4 in the morning. And then as far as time, we're looking for the 13th, which is Sunday. So far, the high is on Friday. Okay, and then there's all our info there. I want to scroll down and let you guys know about the auto trades. Like the triggers and targets are theoretical gains and losses, but the auto trades are actual trades with actual stop losses, actual gains, and actual losses. Okay. So obviously I'm the developer. I'm using triggers and targets with the Fibonacci extensions and Elliott waves. Money management system I'm using is the Ryan Jones fixed ratio money management system. It limits the losses to 5%. and the gains, it builds on the gains as we add contracts with the triggers. Okay, how it works is you open a futures trading account with Striker Securities. They are a futures company, I'm sorry, and they will auto trade my trades. There's a contact information for Striker Securities right there, and that should do it. Okay, so let's move on to the ES, which we kind of already showed you guys, but here is that that market from the July 16th high. Again, the wave down, the ABC down into the August 5th. We're long against that. There's the direct hit time, direct hit price. And did we get the right numbers in there? Yeah, we got the 5 here. Okay, so and there is that 1.618 up there at 6009. So we'll have to allow for a move up there. Right now this target hit the 1.00. Okay, so that should do it. I'll leave it here with you guys, and we'll see what next week brings. Okay, and until next time, take care everyone.